Hello and welcome to this session. Braiding is the process of intertwining strands of hair or other materials to create a woven pattern. There are numerous types of hair braids, each with its own distinct style and method of execution.
Objectives. At the end of this session, you will be able to perform under braid, perform over braid, perform 5-strand braid, and perform double Dutch braid updo. Let's now look at the tools and materials required for braiding procedure in general. You will need the following tools and materials such as combs, brush, hair clips, hairband, hair accessories, hair gel or wax, and serum. Make sure that the tools are well sterilized before use in order to prevent infections. Wash your hands with soap and water before the procedure. Let's now look at the procedure of under braid. The procedure involves the following steps. They are: Step 1. Prepare the hair. Step 2. Brush the hair. Step 3. Divide the hair into 3 sections. Step 4. Start braiding. And Step 5. Secure the braid. Let's now look at each step in detail. Start with clean, dry hair. You can apply some hair product like mousse, serum, or texturizing spray to add grip and hold to the hair. Brush the client's hair to remove any tangles and ensure it's smooth and free from knots. Decide where you want to begin the braid. It can be at the top of the head, the side, or any other desired starting point. Divide the client's hair into 3 equal sections: left, middle, and right. Hold the left section in the left hand, the right section in the right hand, and the middle section with the right hand. Take the right section and cross it over the middle section, effectively swapping their positions. By doing so, the right section now assumes the role of the middle section. Cross the left section over the middle section. The left section now becomes the middle section. Repeat these alternating crossing motions to continue the braid. Take the right section, cross it over the middle section, and then take the left section, crossing it over the middle section. Continue switching between the right and left sections until you reach the very end of the hair. It's important to maintain the sections as equal as possible throughout the braiding process, ensuring a balanced and neat appearance. Once you've reached the end of the braid, secure it with a hair tie or elastic band. This will hold the braid in place. You can gently tug on the outer edges of the braid to loosen it slightly and create more volume. This is known as pancaking the braid. You can add some accessories to the braid. And that's it. You've created a simple under braid. Let's now look at the procedure of over braid. The procedure involves the following steps. They are: Step 1. Prepare the hair. Step 2. Brush the hair. Step 3. Divide the hair into 3 sections. Step 4. Start over braiding procedure. And Step 5. Secure the braid. Let's now look at these steps in detail. Start with clean, dry, and detangled hair. You can add some serum or hairspray to add grip and hold to the hair. Comb or brush the hair to remove any knots or tangles. Decide where you want to begin the braid. It can be at the top of the head, the side, or any other desired starting point. Divide the hair into 3 equal sections: left, middle, and right. Hold the left section and the middle section with the left hand and hold the right section with the right hand. Take the right section and pass it under the middle section. The right section now becomes the new middle section. Next, take the left section and pass it under the middle section, just like you did with the right section. The left section now becomes the new middle section. Repeat the previous steps, alternating between the right and left sections. Each time you pass a section over the middle, it becomes the new middle section. Continue braiding in this manner, incorporating hair from each side as you go. Gather a small section of hair from the left side, pass it over the middle section, and combine it with the right section. Then, gather a small section from the right side, pass it over the middle, and combine it with the left section. Keep braiding until you reach the end of the hair. Try to maintain equal tension on each section to ensure a neat and even braid. Secure the braid with a hair tie or an elastic band at the end. To make the braid appear fuller and more voluminous, gently pull on the edges of the braid, starting from the bottom and working your way up. You can accessorize the braid with ribbons, flowers, or other decorative hair accessories to add a personal touch. Remember, practice makes perfect. It may take a few tries to get the hang of the overbraid technique, so be patient and keep trying until you achieve the desired result. Let's now look at the procedure of 5-strand braid. The procedure involves the following steps. They are: Step 1. Prepare the hair. Step 2. Brush the hair. Step 3. Divide the hair. Step 4. Start braiding. And Step 5. Secure the braid. Now let's look at these steps in detail. Start with clean, dry hair. You can apply some hair product like mousse, serum, or texturizing spray to add grip and hold to the hair. Brush or comb the hair thoroughly to remove any tangles and ensure a smooth starting point. Divide the hair into 5 equal sections. You can do this by parting your hair down the middle and then splitting each side into 2 sections. Hold the sections of hair in your hand with your thumb and fingers, making sure they are in a comfortable position for braiding. Starting with the outermost right section, section 1, pass it over section 2, then under section 3. Now, take the outermost left section, section 5, and pass it over section 4, then under section 3. You should now have 3 sections in the middle, section 3, section 4, and section 5. Hold these sections firmly with your hand. Take the outermost right section, section 2, and pass it over section 3, then under section 4. Finally, take the outermost left section, section 1, and pass it over section 3, then under section 2. Repeat the previous steps, starting with the outermost right and left sections until you reach the end of the hair. Secure the braid with a hair elastic or ribbon to prevent it from unraveling. You can enhance the braid by incorporating various accessories. It may take some practice to get the hang of braiding with 5 strands. Take your time and don't get discouraged if it doesn't turn out perfectly the first few times. With patience and practice, you'll be able to create a beautiful 5-strand braid. Let's now look at the process of double Dutch updo braid. The process involves the following steps. They are: Step 1. Prepare the hair. Step 2. Brush the hair. Step 3. Divide the hair. Step 4. Start braiding. And Step 5. Secure the braid. Now let's look at these steps in detail. Start with clean, dry, and detangled hair. You can also spray some water or apply a styling product to make the hair more manageable. Brush or comb the hair thoroughly to remove any tangles and ensure a smooth starting point. Divide the hair into 2 equal sections down the middle, from the forehead to the nape of the neck. Use a comb to make the part as straight as possible. Take one section of hair and temporarily clip it out of the way. Start on the unclipped side. Take a small section of hair near the hairline and divide it into 3 equal sections. Begin braiding by crossing the right section over the middle section and then cross the left section over the middle section. This creates the first stitch of the braid. For each subsequent stitch, add more hair to each outer section before crossing it over the middle section. To do this, pick up a small section of hair from the side of the head and add it to the corresponding outer section of the braid. Continue this pattern, adding hair and crossing the sections over the middle until you reach the nape of the neck. Repeat the braid on the opposite side. Remember to add hair to the outer sections as you go. Once you reach the nape of the neck with both braids, secure them temporarily with small elastic bands. Now, take the right braid and wrap it over the left braid. Secure the ends of the right braid to the left braid using U-pins. Then, take the left braid and wrap it over the right braid. Secure the ends of the left braid to the right braid with U-pins as well. It will be like a bun. Once both braids are crossed and pinned securely, use additional U-pins to anchor any loose sections or flyaways. You can also use hairspray to set the style. Accessorize the braid if you want to add a personal touch. You've completed the double Dutch updo braid. Enjoy your beautifully braided hairstyle.
This brings us to the end of this session. In this session, we have learned how to perform under braiding technique, over braiding technique, 5-strand braiding technique, and double Dutch updo braiding technique. Thank you for watching. See you in the next session.